No way. This is how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer for iOS and Android in 2026. So you get a joystick, you get a bar on the right side of the screen which shows you all the nearby Pokemon. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get straight into the guide. So as you can see, I got the joystick right here, all these settings. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So as you can see, I can walk around with the joystick. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So as you can see in the settings, we have all these options. So that is super cool. So we got joystick dynamic, all this stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see, we can actually change the speed our character walks, which is super cool. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So look at that. I'm walking with the joystick. So here we go, guys. This is the video. So we need to copy the trainer code. This is very important because we're going to visit a website where we need the trainer code. So I'm going to go to the website right now. So here it is, guys. It's called ispoofpogo.net. So once you're on the site, you can download it. So you can see it says inject spoofer now. So you can read all about it here, as you can see, which is pretty cool. So if you guys like to read about it, there you go. So I'm going to go ahead and press inject spoofer now. And now it's going to load, and it's basically going to ask for my trainer ID and then my platform. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So it's going to load up here. So let's just give it a second. So you can see it says authenticating trainer code. So now it's going to ask me if I want full edition or custom edition. So this doesn't make a difference. But some people, they want a custom. So I'll press continue. So it's going to load right here. So let's just give it a second for this to load. As you can see. Alright. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. So let's just give it a second. Alright. So as you can see, it says initializing joystick. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. Alright, so it says verification needed. So you can see it says I'm not a robot. So I'm going to go ahead and press that. And we'll see if it goes through. Alright, and let's see if it works. So it says failed. So I'm going to go ahead and try again. And we'll see if it works this time. Alright, so let's see if it goes through. And come on now, where is it? There we go, import successful. So this is super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. It fully works. So that's how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer for iOS and Android. So you get all the settings. So you get the joystick. I mean, this is super crazy. So it fully works, guys. So be sure to try it out. You also got enhanced throw. Just tons of settings in here, guys. So it's super crazy. So as you can see in the settings, we got all these options. So be sure to try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is super cool. So yeah, look at that. All the settings here. So this is super crazy. So be sure to try it out. You can see snipe. You can change our speed. So this is so cool, guys. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself and get the word out. This is no jailbreak or anything. So see you guys later.